It's October the 31st, Halloween, right now. Well, I found my floppy hat. That has nothing to do with it. So, Fantasy Fest ends today. It actually ended yesterday because today's Sunday. That being said, today starts the nude people with their bodies getting painted, crowding down Duval Street, draws to an end, and immediately following, the Parrot Heads come in, wanting Jimmy Buffett music and wearing Tommy Bahama t-shirts. Just switches like that. So number 123 out of the 153 things you must do, if you're into it, Invasion of the Parrot Heads. See, there they are. Proud to be here. Every F starting word, they spell it with PH. Flocking. After 10 days of decadence, outrageous costumes, parties, and painted naked bodies roaming the streets, and one day from the last Saturday of October, yesterday, to the following Sunday morning, right now, the entire island does an immediate 180 degrees, welcoming the Tommy Bahama wearing much more congenial trop rock festival fanatics to the island. The Meeting of the Minds, aka Parrot Head Week. Inspired originally by the greatest trop rocker of all Key West alumni, Jimmy Buffett, the tradition continues on yearly with concerts, pina coladas, beads, and silly hats. Is Key West actually Margaritaville? Like many of his other songs like Caroline Street, A Pirate Looks at 40, and Last Mango in Paris, among many others, it was definitely inspired by it. Hear great trop rockers from all around the world this week. So that is number 123 of 153 things you must do. But of course, of those 153 things, there are things you must do if you wanna. Next one coming up is my old buddy, Jimmy McGee, the Mojito Man. Everybody calls him Magoo. You used to call him that. He did pass away since the book's been written. We'll get to that the next time. Right now, it's just the Parrot Heads. Bonsoir. Bucky World Creations. My art, music, writing, and other fun things like this. Please like this Key West Today video and comment on it if you'd like, so that YouTube will let others watch it. Subscribe to my channel full of other fun playlists, and if interested in watching new ones, tap notifications. Thanks! Sincerely, Bucky from Kentucky, my dog Max, and my red-footed tortoise, Soupy Clitortus. Please support my channel at Patreon at Bucky World Creations for $1 a month. Love ya!